Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be a package opening. This package was sent to me by LegalLockPicker, and I'm really excited to get it open, so let's get this package open right now. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get this package open and see what's inside. I want to say LegalLockPicker, thank you again for sending me some really cool stuff to check out and get to review. I am really excited every time you send me a package, and I just want to say thank you so much, and I really highly appreciate it. So let's take a quick look at this one right now. So what I have in this package is going to be a lockpick set that I mentioned to LegalLockPicker, which I feel like is probably one of the better lockpicking sets that a beginner can get for a very cheap price on a cheap website. You can get them on GearBest, Banggood.com, or any of the cheap generic distributor websites. This set is a really cool set, and I really want to enjoy doing a quick review on it. You can get this set from anywhere from $10 to $20, really depending on the time of the year and what the sale price is. But I feel like this set has a lot of really good aspects to it. It has pretty strong metal to it. It has a nice metal handle on it, and it comes with a decent enough bottom with the keyway tensioner, and it is a pretty cool set to have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a review on this set in the near future, but if you'd like to check out this set, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link to it in the video description below so you can check it out at Banggood.com and you can see how you like it. This is a pretty fun set to have, and thank you again to LegalLockPicker for sending it out to me. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And stay tuned for a review on this lockpicking set. Thank you.